गला फाड़कर क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? Why are you shouting at the top of your voice? Why are you shouting at the top of your voice? मैंने वैसा ही किया जैसा मुझे कहा गया था। I did as I was told. I did as I was told. जल्दी करो वरना गाड़ी छूट जाएगी। Hurry up, otherwise you will miss the train. Hurry up, otherwise you will miss the train. मैं इस मामले में बहुत सख्त हूँ। I am very strict in this matter. I am very strict in this matter. अपना तो सारा हिसाब बिगड़ गया। All my calculation went wrong. All my calculations went wrong. आपका कितना पैसा मेरे यहाँ बाकी है? How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? इम्तिहान मेरे सिर पर सवार है। The examination is on my head. The examination is on my head. वो अपने व्यवहार से शर्मिंदा है। He is ashamed of his behavior. He is ashamed of his behavior. मुझे अपने आप पर शर्म आती है। I am ashamed of myself. I am ashamed of myself. मेरी किस्मत तुम्हारे हाथ में है। My fate is in your hand. My fate is in your hand. दौड़ते दौड़ते पाँव घिस गए। He was tired of running about. He was tired of running about. क्या आप मुझे कुछ पैसे दे सकते हैं? Could you give me some money? Could you give me some money? आशा है कि आप अगली बार मिलेंगे। Hope to see you next time. Hope to see you next time. मेरे कंधे पर अपना सिर मत रखो। Do not lean your head on my shoulder. Do not lean your head on my shoulder. क्या आपको पता है कि मेरा क्या मतलब है? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? चिंता मत करो, मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ। Don't worry, I don't agree. Don't worry, I don't agree. क्या आप वॉल्यूम बढ़ा सकते हैं? Can you turn the volume off? Can you turn the volume off? क्या मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ? Can I help you? Can I help you? हिलो मत, मैं थक गया। Don't move, I am tired. Don't move, I am tired. जैसा मैं कहता हूँ करो। Do as I say. Do as I say. आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? आप कब तक रहने वाले हो? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? ठीक है, हो जाता है। It's all right, it happens. It's all right, it happens. मैं आप पर आरोप नहीं लगा रहा। I am not blaming you. I am not blaming you. मैं ज़िंदगी से बहुत खुश हूँ। I am high on life. I am high on life. आज मेरी खुशी का कोई ठिकाना नहीं है। I am on the zenith today. I am on the zenith today. क्या आप मेरी टांग खींच रहे हैं? Are you pulling my leg? Are you pulling my leg? आपको इतने समय के बाद देखकर अच्छा लगा। It's great to see you after such a long time. It's great to see you after such a long time. आप कहाँ गायब थे? Where did you vanish? Where did you vanish? ये याद करना मुश्किल है. It's difficult to remember. It's difficult to remember. मेरे पेट में चूहे कूद रहे हैं. My stomach is making a noise. My stomach is making a noise. सबके साथ अच्छा व्यवहार करो. Gently with everyone. Gently with everyone. मुझे सुबह 4 बजे जगा देना. Wake me up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Wake me up at 4 o'clock in the morning. मुझे समय पर याद दिला देना. Remind me at the proper time. Remind me at the proper time. अपने जूतों के फीते बांध लो. Lace up your shoes. Lace up your shoes. मेरे काम में बाधा मत डालो. Don't interpret me. Don't interpret me. दूसरों की बुराई मत करो. Don't speak ill of others. Don't speak ill of others. हमेशा अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहो. Always keep good company. Always keep good company. मेरे कहे अनुसार कार्य करो. Act according to my direction. Act according to my direction. उसे बाहर निकाल दो. Show him the way out. Show him the way out. मुझे बेवकूफ़ मत बनाओ. Don't make a fool of me. Don't make a fool of me. अब सब बेकार है. Now it's all useless. Now it's all useless. सब बेकार गया. It has all gone waste. It has all gone waste. कोई दूसरा उपाय नहीं था. There was no alternative. There was no alternative. जो होना था सो हो गया. What was to happen has happened. What was to happen has happened. आप हद कर रहे हैं. You are crossing the limits. You are crossing the limits.